I can't say enough about STAGEit. I've been in theater for the last 40 years, and I've never seen anything quite like it.
So Missy's going to come in. She's going to stay downstage right.
Would you put a tot of whiskey in my tea?
Oh, did God intend that as well, Winston?
No, but I cleared it with him.
All of the creatives that came in to make this show work only had 1 week to rehearse, and then the next week started the show. But through STAGEit, we were able to not only block the show in advance.
So it's this line, now we can start work on managing it well. I would like Churchill to stand, and then I would like him to walk upstage to look out the window so that Churchill can say these lines. Just 3 weeks ago.
Just 3 weeks ago, we were talking about a European war.
When we could plan the lighting in advance, it was an absolutely invaluable tool for us to create a complex production in a very short period of time.
The only thing we have to fear is fear itself.
Well, we use it for set design. We used it to establish whether a newspaper was going to be the right size and readable from the set.
Well, well, well. Into the conquering hero.
We even previewed some more advanced features that we want to take on the road when we have a scrim at the front and we can video project onto it.
Since the Japanese attack on the American base at Pearl Harbor earlier this month, the United States has formally joined the Allies.
And we used it on the get-in to establish where everything went and to cross-check everything. Instead of having to refer to CAD drawings, just put the headset on and you walk the scene. And if the stuff was in the right place, it was in the right place.